It nauseates
I
me.
didn't come out here because...
I know you came out to say... Possibly understand what it feels like to be me. I'm an antique, out of date.
All right, what are you going to do? Plant roses? Actors don't retire. About 6 months and you'll blow your brains out, Bob.
I'm an anachronism.
What does that mean?
Sammy, look around you. The world belongs to the young. Make way for them. Let them have it.
I'll take it.
Now here's a message. Oh, yes.
Well...
Isn't he silly?
Night, sir.
You look tired, dear. Don't tinker with that car all night now.
Oh, I won't.
You really like that insurance job, Bobby, that keep you so late.
Well, sure, it's a good job.
I spoke to your brother today.
Oh, yeah?
Everyone's fine. The baby has a cold.
Oh, that's too
Charlotte.
Well, good night, dear. Not too late now, promise?
bad. I promise.
That's a good boy.
Charlotte?
Coming?
These worries need not be yours, with the kind of protection offered you by Grant of Richmond, the old line company that cares about you. Pick up your phone. The number's in the white paper.
I'm going to go offer it to Vincent Price.
Hey, hey!
I'm very drunk.
Hey, that's my bed. Oh, good Lord. I'm as drunk as he is. Sorry.